everybody, today we're going to be continuing our discussion on Mendelian genetics. Where we last left off, we discussed some basic vocabulary and how to do a Punnett square. Now we're going to go more in depth on those concepts. After finishing our concept of Punnett squares, it's worth mentioning that there are also sex-linked chromosomes. Males have one X chromosome and one Y chromosome, and females have two X chromosomes and can carry alleles on the X chromosomes. Let's go to an example. Color blindness has an X-linked recessive pattern. This means it is carried on the X chromosome. A man who suffers from color blindness marries a woman who has no history of color blindness. What percentage of their children will suffer from color blindness? Well, when in doubt, Punnett square it out. Let's figure out the genotype for the man and the woman. As we mentioned before, a man has an XY pairing and a woman has an XX pairing, and color blindness has an X-linked recessive pattern. So let's say that a lowercase c is equal to color blindness, and a capital C is equal to normal vision. And because it's X-linked and recessive, the man who suffers from color blindness will have a lowercase c on his X chromosome, and the female who has normal vision will have two capital C's on both of her X chromosomes. So now we can write out our Punnett square, putting our genotypes for the man on the top and our female on the side. And now we can solve this just as we showed in our previous video. So now when we look at the results, we can see that the offspring for the male genotypes is X capital C as an allele and the Y chromosome. This means they have normal vision. And for the female's offspring, we have X capital C and X lowercase c. This also means they will have normal vision. The capital means that it's dominating over the lowercase, but the lowercase still indicates that it is still a carrier of color blindness. So the answer for this question would be none. And that is it for our second Mendelian genetics video on alleles and chromosomes. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.